Here with Councillor Tashai Rose. We celebrate you today, Mrs. Harris.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo!
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Trust God.
That's why I say I look like this and trust God.
Amen.
And it's not the end of the world. I have a lot of people in my community that I give a lot of support and encouragement. So them see that it's not a dead sentence. I never give up the fight. Anytime you give up when you're dead.
Yes, and I understand that you are a survivor of breast cancer.
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. And I can't put on this. Where did I mammogram? I'm checking.
Tashai Rose, Councillor Caretaker for the Westchester Division. Today I launched my breast cancer awareness walk. It's a pink walk. It's called a pink walk. Just to bring awareness to the community, different communities in the Westchester Division. Because breast cancer, it's affecting a lot of females now. And I also want the men to know that men can also get breast cancer. Today, I have persons who want to fight against breast cancer. I have persons who also have breast cancer. So, it's very important to know. So get yourself checked. It's very important.
I heard that every progressive man wear pink, and that's good. As we all know, cancer is the number one cause of death with male and female. And I learned that it's not only female that has breast cancer, male also has breast cancer. Very, very, very pleased of the initiative with Councillor Tashai Rose and the entire community, because it's not really a political thing, it's a community awareness.
We say to our males that we represent the head of our families, we represent the strength of our family, and males taking proactive actions to prevent cancer in their families, in themselves, will allow for greater sustainability and consistency of the family as a strong bond within our communities.
Alright, and the reason why we're stressing breast cancer, and we have a whole month to say breast cancer awareness, is because it is the leading cause of death by cancer of the Jamaican woman. And so we have to be aware of breast cancer and then know what to look for and what to do to prevent it or catch it early. If you catch it early, you can cure it. And I want that message to get out. That's why we need to do the mammogram every year.
When you go to the doctor, nobody wants to hear that they have breast cancer. The first thing that sets in is panic. And so early detection is really, really the key. Sagicor has plans for everyone.
I hope this information will enable us to move forward and of course do what is necessary. What is necessary as women and men, lifestyle practices, very, very important. On behalf of Tashai Rose, on behalf of the committee and all the members of the executive, we want to thank you for being with us so that today will be a success. Give yourselves a round of applause. All right.